Now, Daniel Gyles and Camellia Whitby took top honors at the Kingalarm amateur tournament held recently at the Eric Bell Tennis Center. Gyles defeated Adam Harris 4-6, 6-4, 7-5 in the men's Class 1 singles final.
A well-played match, but I'm happy that in the end I was able to come out with a win. We played some really good points. The match was very competitive, and thank God for the outcome.
In the women's Class A singles final, Whitby got by Raquel Nevins 6-3, 6-1.
Initially, when I went on court, I needed to get warm, but overall, it was good playing with Raquel as usual. It was challenging. She had me running, but I managed to get over the hurdle and came out successful.
Meanwhile, in the men's Class 3 singles, Rashid Anderson defeated Carlington Burrell 7-5, 6-7, 6-4. In the ladies' Class B, Gan McLeod beat Daniel Silvera 7-5, 6-3. In Class C action, Martina Williams defeated Leanne Levers.